welcome to Untitled Chapter. This is Subarna and I'm back with a new recipe. Today we are going to make cauliflower fritters. This recipe has all the good ingredients that you need to make a quick lunch or a quick dinner. Feel free to add any spices you like. And now without any further delay, let's get started. Isn't that easy? Do try this recipe and let me know how that goes in the comment section down below. Also follow us on Instagram at Untitled Chapter. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel to never miss our new recipes. See you next week.